This is the instructional tutorial for the Ozone Glycerin and Quinton Isotonic for nebulizer use. You will need to purchase from the Perfectly Healthy store the following items: a nebulizer, the Ozone Glycerin nebulizer kit, the Ozone Glycerin, and a box of the Quinton Isotonic ampules. In the kit, 5 of the needles, a mask that you're going to attach to the nebulizer, 5 syringes, and a blue glass tincture. I'm going to show you how to make the mixture for the nebulizer. Step 1, you're going to open up your glycerin bottle and you're going to uncap your blue bottle tincture, and you're going to pour half of the contents of the glycerin into the blue bottle. Then I'm going to take 2 of the Quinton Isotonic ampules, and it's made of glass, and inside the box is like a paper kind of applicator to help with breaking the tip of the ampule off. I like to wrap the tip with the paper applicator and snap the end of the glass. I'm going to put a finger on the end, and then I'm going to break the other end off, and I'm going to pour the contents into the blue tincture, and I'm going to do that twice. I'm going to shake the mixture up. You're going to need a syringe and a needle, and you're going to screw on the top of the syringe the needle, uncap the tincture. You're going to extract 2 ml of the mixture. I'm going to take this mixture, I'm going to put it in the nebulizer medicine cup. I'm going to uncap it, basically release the mixture into the medicine cap. I'm going to screw the cap onto the medicine cap. I'm going to take the mask and make sure that it's tightly onto the medicine cap. And I want to put this end of the tube onto the nebulizer and this end on the bottom of the medicine cup. And now you're ready to go for treatment. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe in as normal, and it'll probably take about 30 minutes for you to complete the treatment. Put this bottle of mixture and this bottle into the refrigerator. Nebulize every 3 days. The shelf life is 90 days. The Quinton water does not have to be refrigerated. If you have any questions, please contact the Perfectly Healthy store at 949-680-1913. Thank you.